Dragon Fruit Paradise is back. So this is our first harvest. We've had singles here and there, pulled some fruit here and there, but this is our first major harvest. So here is a mixture of Mystics and cotton candies. The darker reds are the cotton candies, the lighter pinks are the Mystics. Then you have a whole bunch of blood reds, which are one of our other favorites. This over here is a Voodoo. This little guy here. So super tasty purple flesh. And, all blood reds here. These are Mystics up top here. And these on the bottom are super sweet pink. So we've had some good luck with these. We'll see what they taste like this year. Hopefully good. We don't do all this for nothing. So I hope everybody's enjoying their gardens. This is Dragon Fruit Paradise. Just trying to share a little bit with you guys. We're not growers. We're not farmers. We're just enthusiasts of dragon fruits. Love the flavor. Love the taste. And we're super excited. We got a giant monster in our refrigerator. And this is a massive, massive cotton candy. We love it. Can't wait to open this thing up. Till I got something to say, as always. Dragon Fruit Paradise. Out.